they heard noise. But it's quite amazing, you know, the way they run now is very beautiful. And they will come now to my legs. Look at my nail polish. My nail polish are red, so they feel that they have to eat it. That's my nail polish, okay? Not food. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But they are very tiny at this stage, eh? But so far they've grown already from morning to now. So this is day one. Day one of brooding layers. Wow. See.
Starting on another Monday.
Amazing when they drink water.
You have Snapchat.
Yeah.
I think that one gives a lot of nice pictures. If you want to use it. I saw Amos using that one.